Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, March 17th. Happy St. Patrick's Day. I hope that you got a chance to do the St. Patrick's Day craft that we had available for you at the library last week. And today we are moving on to Easter. I know you guys all love beading, so today we've got a beaded Easter egg ornament for you. You can hang in your window if you make your little Easter tree or whatever. So first we're going to start with this long piece of pipe cleaner that's in your kit. And we're going to put some beads on. Lots of bright colors. Eastery, springish. And wrap it into like an oval shape. So got lots of beads. You can definitely put more there. So if you want, you can add some dimension to your egg. So what you do here, I've given you a couple of shorter pieces of pipe cleaner. Is thread some beads along the shorter pieces and sort of work them into the main part of the egg without ruining the egg shape, which is a little bit of a challenge, but see, like that. Then you can put some beads on this top part. So I've put about 30 beads in each kit, I think, so you can go crazy. All right, and then work this other piece into your egg shape again. And then I've given you a little ribbon to tie. So this would be something cute to make for somebody to hang in your window. So there you go. These kits are available behind the desk at the library starting tomorrow, March 18th. And there you go. Beaded Easter egg. See you next week, everybody, for more Easter crafts on Maker Moment. Bye.